Alright guys, so I got this Amazon Echo stand, which is the Darth Vader early Black Friday deal. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. This is made of plastic, and this is where you put the Echo Dot 5th gen. This is where it goes, right here. So here is the Darth Vader Echo Dot 5th gen stand that I got from the Black Friday deal from Amazon for $29 if you are Prime. So it's pretty cool. Alexa,
sorry, I'm having trouble. Please try in a little while.
it lights up when you wake the Amazon Echo. So there you have it, guys. If you have a question about the stand, message me on the comment down section below, and thanks for watching, and see you on my next video.